Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use our own avatar for WhatsApp profile picture. So we are in setting. So we already created avatar using our selfie or our image. So you can find that video link in video description how to create your own avatar in WhatsApp. So we are in setting. Now you see name. So click on it and then you see profile picture and then you see camera icon. So click on it. Now you see profile photo, camera, gallery and then you see avatar. So we are going to use our avatar. So click on it. Now you see avatar profile photo. So this avatar we created. Now you see and then you see background. So you can select background like this. If you want you can edit avatar. So it's up to you. And then click on tick icon. Now you see profile photo updated and we are using our avatar on WhatsApp profile. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.